This video segment continues our examination of internal climate forcing factors. Here we focus on the greenhouse effect, clouds, and ocean currents. The major points of the segment are: number 1, greenhouse effect explains the energy balance of Earth and its surroundings. Number 2, without greenhouse gases, Earth's surface would cool to about minus 18 degrees Celsius from its current average of plus 14 degrees. Number 3, clouds promote both global cooling and global warming. Number 4, ocean waters circulate around Earth in established patterns that are being disturbed by global warming. To appreciate the greenhouse effect, imagine placing Earth in a glass bottle where only possible energy transfers are through electromagnetic radiation. Solar radiation either passes through the bottle without change, that is, transmitted, bounces off the bottle changing direction but not energy, that is, reflected, or is absorbed by the contents of the bottle. The radiation absorbed increases the motion of molecules in the bottle, raising the temperature of the bottle and its contents. At a higher temperature, the bottle and its contents emit both more and shorter wavelength electromagnetic radiation than at a cooler temperature. This thermal radiation has a broad spectrum. Depending on wavelength, it either passes out of the bottle, bounces back off the inside of the bottle, and remains inside, or is absorbed by the bottle and its contents. Radiation absorbed by the bottle will warm it and its contents, and so they will emit more electromagnetic radiation. Eventually, all the solar energy which enters the bottle escapes. Conservation of energy dictates that the energy coming in must equal the energy going out. Most of the energy enters as visible light, relatively short wavelengths from 0.4 to 0.7 micrometers. Most of the energy escapes as infrared wavelengths that are not absorbed by the bottle or its contents. In specific, most escapes through the windows between 9 and 13 micrometers and between 23 and 500 micrometers. If solar energy increases or the contents of the bottle absorb more infrared radiation, say from higher CO2 concentrations, the bottle and its contents will warm and emit more thermal energy at longer wavelengths that they themselves do not absorb. If the bottle reflects more solar radiation, that is, albedo increases, less solar energy enters the bottle, and the bottle and its contents will cool until the thermal energy that they emit comes into equilibrium with its decrease. Without greenhouse gases, Earth, its atmosphere and surface, would still absorb shortwave solar radiation and would still emit longwave infrared radiation that would pass through a transparent medium without much further ado. Under such circumstances, Earth's surface would not receive any back radiation from the atmosphere and clouds, and its temperature would cool to an average of minus 18 degrees Celsius rather than the 14 degrees Celsius that we currently enjoy. Such a greenhouse gasless world would approximate a perfect black body having a maximum energy emission at a wavelength of 11.4 micrometers, in contrast to the 10.1 micrometers actually observed. Earth emits more radiation at shorter wavelengths than a black body at minus 18 degrees Celsius, but emits less at certain wavelengths. For example, those near 10 micrometers at which ozone absorbs and those around 15 micrometers at which carbon dioxide absorbs are missing.